Okay, so let's do a quick introduction to using Zoom. Now, your screen may look different from mine because I am on a Mac computer, but it will look very similar on a Windows computer. Um, to use Zoom, there is an application that you need to download and put on your computer. There's also an application for your phone that you can use to start and or join meetings, so you can truly do this from anywhere. You can search for the Zoom app. There's probably links when you go to zoom.us to download the apps for your various platforms. But once you turn on the app and start it up, this is what the screen looks like. And you have a number of options. You can join an existing meeting if you have the meeting code, or if you're the host of a meeting, you just go to new meeting and you can click right here and start. And you can see I'm coming up on the screen. I'm going to turn my video off so that doesn't look awkward. Um, but then you'll choose to whether to join with computer audio, which is what most people will do. You can also call in for audio, but most people will join with just the audio on their computer or their device. And I'm now in a live meeting. If I want to invite people to that meeting, I come down here to the invite button and I can click on that. Contacts that you have will automatically show up here, but you can, if you want to invite people by just sending them the link, you can click the copy URL button. That's copied to your clipboard, and then you can send people that link. As long as you are in this meeting, they can do that. Now, I'll make another video showing you how to schedule a meeting through the Zoom website so that you can put that onto your calendar and invite people that way.